Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, we got a new hair reveal. And this is for my girls with the shortcut that want something convenient. You don't gotta spend too much time doing it. I got you. I'll be right back. So I know y'all are ready for this new color reveal. And I'm gonna need a drum roll for this because this is something serious. So I've already wet my hair. I saturated my hair really good, so it's super wet. And I went ahead and put the towel on there just so I don't show you guys the hair reveal yet. I feel like I should turn around and be like, ah. But you know what? The chair can't do that right now, okay? So we just gonna do the reveal. What? Girl, I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I did it. I bleached my hair, y'all. So we have a fun blonde over here. A fun blonde, because you know blondes have more fun. Clearly. So we are going to do a quick slick back hairstyle. Doesn't take too long if you got to go to work, wherever you got to go. Quick DIY hairstyle, okay? Going in with minimum things to use. So like I said, the first thing you want to do is wet your hair. Make sure your hair is wet, saturated. Very wet, okay? Like you have to have it wet in order to style it really well. I'm going in with the Extreme. I got this from Target. And this is regular Eco Styling Gel. I got this from my beauty supply store. I'm going to go in with a little argan hair oil just to hydrate my hair because it is colored. You want to make sure your hair stays hydrated, ladies. Just do like one little dime size. You don't need too much because you don't want it to be too heavy. Baby, this is giving Goldilocks, honey. Yeah, I was so scared to do this, and then my husband just literally talked me into it out of nowhere on a Sunday. On a Sunday, like literally 4 o'clock in the afternoon, y'all. We went to Sally's. He boosted my head up. Like, yeah, girl, go ahead, do it. You could do it. Don't be scared. And then this is where we at right now. So I'm going in with my Extreme Gel. You want to put a nice size amount. And I'm just going to go ahead and just put it through my scalp, my hair. Make sure it's all on my ends. Going in with my Eco. So y'all need to make sure that you are hydrating your hair whenever you're trying to do a style, because it makes it looser and easier to work with. In the back, I'm just using my comb. That's what I have this for, to kind of help me. I don't know how to do finger waves yet, y'all. So this is like another way to do finger waves, I guess you could say. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And y'all, finger waves is not easy to do. Like, I don't know who said it was. I feel like maybe it was my mama. She was like, girl, you could do finger waves. But now that I'm trying to do it, it's not giving. It's giving too much. Okay, so I kind of just like push the hair, scrunch the hair up a little bit, and then like go back down with it, if that makes sense, to try to get the illusion of a finger wave. Okay. So like I said, I'm just trying to push these pieces up with my comb, but I don't do too much, so because there's not much I know how to do just yet. Okay, so this is kind of how it looks when I'm done. Like I said, I'll show you guys the back. I gotta go on the side and just kind of like lift it up a bit. I feel like that part is so easy to do, but the other part is super hard. Like the front where it's more hair, I think that's like a little more harder for me to do it. And I got this comb because I seen girls on TikTok using this comb to like lay their hair down for like finger waves. But I haven't practiced enough to know how to do that part yet. And I haven't had my hair like this long enough either. So it's only been a few days, so still learning. Okay guys, so this is kind of what it looks like right now. I'm gonna do a full spin for y'all. And I, like I said, this is just when I like that texture look, just to give me a little bit more when it comes to the hairstyle instead of it being straight back. If you want it to be flat, which sometimes I put it flat, you can use your black strips, or if you want it to just, you know, tie it on your edges, but it will make it flat. So if you want this look, you just need to go straight under the dryer. So I'm gonna go under the dryer for about 10 minutes just to kind of dry everything because it's kind of wet right now. And then once I'm done, I'll be back to show you guys. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking right now. I sat under the dryer for about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna give you guys a little spin or whatever, so you can see what it's giving. Now I'm gonna go beat my face to the gods, and I'm gonna be right back to show y'all the final look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I went off and did my makeup and I came back so you guys can see everything. Like always, comment down below to let me know how you guys feel about the style, and also if you tried it yourself. As always, don't forget to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.